8:33, no fish in the boat, but look at that. Good evening. We're fishing our first night benefit tournament. It's a 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. tournament. Hoping there's a lot of cloud cover. Hopefully you can see. So hopefully that top water bite is on. We've been having we went out yesterday and had some Garmin issues on our live scope. So
we regularly improve our products to add functionality, resolve bugs, and provide you with enhanced features. Visit garmin.com/marine update for more information. Once again, that is garmin.com.
Always keep those things updated because that hopefully was our issue. Also having some GoPro issue with some black spots and had to reset those too. So there's always something when it comes to electronics and fishing. There's a fish.
There you go. You did it then about $1. You got the film on?
Yeah, I did get it.
Huh?
Yeah?
Hope you don't hear me talking.
I don't know. I forgot I had it on. I don't think so.
Waypoint, I mean the spotlight.
Okay. So hopefully we can catch our 5 bass limit before it gets dark, and then we can go have some fun in the dark.
Okay, so we bought a light for night fishing, thinking it was a good idea to see the bank. You can kind of see the bank some, but this is why you don't have a light night fishing.
It's our first night fish.
How did you turn the flood off?
They will only flip.